ओके ओके, राहुल भाई आ जाओ आ जाओ, राहुल भाई आ जाओ। गुड मॉर्निंग सोनी। कहाँ गया ये राहुल, आजा यार। Today I missed my two things. Like after 5 I wake up because at night time 12:30 or I think 11 1 was there. At that time I slept. So -2 for Sony. You are maintaining your counts. Yeah. Good morning, Raj Bhaiya. Hi Supriya. Hey, Rahul came. Hello, bro. Yeah. So today -2, na? 2 point has been minus. Yeah, one request. I'm going to add Rahul now. भाई.
Hey bro, hey. Hello people.
Hello. How are you?
Good morning all. Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm too good.
Too good.
Very good to see your smile and your videos. Always smile like this.
Thank you bro. Hey Saugandhika.
Yeah.
Yeah, so only 4 people are there.
Yes.
So start करें क्या?
बिल्कुल. With like this. Rahul.
हाँ. Thank you bro.
Let's you start.
So, अरे I forget permission. But okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Take 3 deep long breaths.
आँख कौन बंद करेगा भाई?
Both.
Who will close eyes? First
All
close your eyes,
people, all
no?
people.
Okay.
So now put your right fingers on your heart and repeat after me the
Yes.
affirmations.
Yes.
Yeah. I am powerful.
Yes, I'm powerful.
Yeah. I am surrounding with positive people.
I'm surrounding with positive peoples.
Yeah. I am feeling better and better every day.
I'm feeling better and better every day.
I am patient.
I'm patient.
I am loyal.
I'm loyal.
I
Yes,
respect myself.
I respect myself.
My body is a temple.
My body is a good.
Being dedicated is easy for me.
Being dedicated is easy for me. Very good, man.
I deserve money and success.
I deserve money and success.
Say it with belief.
Yes, belief is more important.
I, I am worthy.
I'm worthy.
I am balanced.
I'm balanced.
I am special.
I'm special. Yes, I'm special.
I am grateful for all that I have.
I'm grateful for all that I have.
I am deserving peace and happiness.
I'm deserving peace and happiness.
Okay, now open your eyes.
Yes.
Now start with personal goals.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, yeah, read across your fingers on your goals and believe in yourself that what you said you achieved in what you fixed the time in that limited times. Yeah, so start.
Yes.
Hey, if you want to add something, add Ashish,
Yes, 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 I will add.
because I am coming here without any professor.
So only take towards goal also now. What is this?
First, yeah. So I am reading my personal goals. So all people, please
Yes, yes.
read your personal goals.
Personal goal with adding some emotions, feelings, touch it, your goals and all. Rahul,
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
the goal should be very time frame like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Just 1 day goal,
Yes.
and
And
see also
so,
if it is not done, what is the consequences of that.
yes, Sony, I am a successful and I am a winner. Yes, and I also written that this time I will not take failure as a option. I does not want to
Yes,
become loser again. Yeah.
yes.
So in personal goal, like
Mm-hmm.
what would you like to learn? What are some skills that you want to master in your whole life? So write only what types of
It can
physique
be,
you want. Uh,
yes, it can be a good physique, it can be a good skills what you want to achieve in your life. It could be
yeah.
anything
Set
which
some
suits your personality.
set some skills that I want to be master on this skills
Yes,
and commit to yourself that this is the best year of my life.
yes.
So I telling you one story. I'm reading
Yeah.
one book called by John Assaraf, and in that book I forget the name. In that book he mentioned the all about personal, yeah, about goals, about your health, wealth, happiness, fun, and
Mm-hmm.
excitement. And
Mm-hmm.
he says that earlier, I watched his video on Impact Theory too. So in video he told that earlier his father was too yeah, earlier his father was too violent for him, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, he is not believing in himself. But after 19, yeah, 19, he met one guy, and the guy told him to, yeah, do you believe in yourself, like that, and write your personal goals.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and he write all the personal goals about his all health, wealth, financial, and all about things. And he says that is what this man wants to me is this wants to change my neural patterns of brain that I never changed in last 19 years. Is this what I crossing the fingers? Is that possible for me? And he says that after 15 days or 20 days, yeah, when I read read my goals with across my fingers, I touch it, I visualize it, I feel it, and suddenly after 20 days I am believing in myself that, yeah, I want to become that person.
Yes, yes. Sometimes you know what happens. One click also can start the bike.
Yeah, so read it with feelings. Yeah.
Yes. So let's visualize for some time.
Okay, okay. Visualize it.
Fast forward your life from present to future, and you have everything. And visualize.
Yes, visualize that how beautiful things happen when you achieve it.
Yes. You have everything. Whatever you have said till now. Personal thing. You have good physique. Wow. You can beat anyone.
Yes, believe.
राहुल भाई कुछ विजुलाइज कराओ.
I visualize that we are achieved all our personal goals. We are in
Yes.
like after 5 years,
Yes.
2025,
Yes.
we are sitting together in a beach or a resort
भाई वो वाला फन वाले में
where
जाएंगे ना.
okay. I have to control. Okay, now move forward to financial goals. Open your eyes भाई, बहुत visualize कर
Yes.
लिया.
या मेरे पास बहुत मस्त बॉडी है.
Yes, Osi.
Rahul is filled with lot of energy right now.
Yeah. I am always filled with lot of energy because of you people.
Yes.
Surroundings, we all are the sum of 5 people, na? Average of five
Yes.
people.
Yes.
And I am like surrounding with 20, 25 people. Like this positive mindset. So I always filled with energy.
Great. Yeah. So financial goal. Let's move into it.
Yeah, financial goals. Read it, touch it, feel it, believe in it. Yes, I will achieve it.
Yes. And also think about
See,
if you don't achieve this one,
what will?
what will happen.
Yeah.
It should be necessary to achieve. If you have set to your mind should attract the things, right? And it should happen. And by day action plans is also needed for that, for achieving the things. Wow. Some pain.
Bro, your background music is amazing.
Yeah. Learning from Tausif Bhaiya.
Okay, okay, okay.
Because sometimes you know what happens, this technology things, the
Hmm.
headset and all giving some echoes, right?
Yes,
So
yesterday echoing too much.
yes, yes. Actually, initially I thought like the disturbance is coming from the Sony side, but the Sony side was not coming the disturbance. It was from my side only.
Your side, yes, yes.
Actually, yes, yes. Bluetooth has been disconnected, right? This headset is Bluetooth, right? So I don't know how it is
See
disconnected.
that? Hmm. Believe that I want to become a star performer in my organizations.
Yes,
Yeah, believe it that. Yeah, become
yes,
worthy. The world will justify you.
yes. Close your eyes and visualize and take forward your life from present to after 20
Yes,
years.
yes. Visualize that I am putting massive efforts to achieving my
Yes,
financial goals. I
yes,
putting day by day massive effort to
yes,
achieve all our financial goals.
yes, yes. And think like you have achieved everything, whatever you have set for your financial things. You have good job. You have good amount of package you got. You are living very good
A
life.
lavish life.
Living, yes. And you, all the family people surrounding to you are very happy because of you. You have everything.
What you dreamt of in your childhood, you achieve all these things. Believe that.
Yes.
Now open your eyes.
Yes.
बहुत पैसे कमा लिए.
Yes.
वापस आ जा.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes. Now move towards fun and excitement goals.
Yes.
Yes, भाई visualize करवा कुछ.
पहले रीड तो
So
कर ले.
see, हाँ रे पास पास. Okay, okay, okay. So, okay, okay. Desire Saugandhika. Yes, yes. Take deep breath, bro.
Only one. Yes. Inhale from nose, exhale from your mouth. Read your fun goals. So Rahul, what is the definition of fun according to you?
Live your life to the fullest. Enjoy every moment. For
Yes.
me, for me, every second is a fun. I enjoying my life every moment, no matter situation is in my control or not. But I create my own environment.
वाह, आग लगा दी आग.
आग लगा दी आग आग आग.
सूखे पत्ते पड़े थे और हमने आग लगा दी.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
चलो कहीं चलते हैं. क्लोज योर आईज. तुम ले चलोगे कहीं?
मैं थोड़ा टाइम के लिए ले चलता हूँ, फिर तुम ले
ठीक है,
चलो.
ठीक है.
So yeah, visualize that we are in a resort, beachside, beachside resort.
हम्म.
We are sitting together, and my brother sang is performing on the stage music.
हम्म.
Yeah, and the song is तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ,
वाओ.
तेरा मेरा याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया.
तेरा मेरा
Yeah,
अफसाना, मेरे
yeah.
दिल की ये दुआ हो, कभी दूर तू न जाना. मेरे को
तेरे
पूरा नहीं आता
लिए.
यार.
ओके ओके.
बैठा दिया फलक से मुझे खाट से उठा के, तेरे जैसा
यारा,
यार कहाँ, कहाँ ऐसा
ऐसा
याराना.
याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया, तेरा मेरा अफसाना.
वाओ.
And we all are doing lot of fun together. We eating a good food, we enjoying the moment. Yeah,
You know,
let's come back.
there is
You
a
started, bro.
good music system, and the DJ is full on, and we all are dancing, and some, the water is coming also. Uh, slowly water is coming and down, and we are enjoying with water, and lot of music were there. Full party, full enjoyment. In the swimming pool also were there. We from the top to swimming pool, like enjoying. Yeah, happy faces. All are very
Yeah,
happy.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Take a deep breath and exhale it out. You will get everything.
Okay, let's come back. ए ओसी, तू कल आके रोड ट्रिप पे ले चलना भाई मेरे को.
चलो रोड ट्रिप पे चलना है. चलो रोड ट्रिप
Yes.
पे. चलो तो we all are in Hyderabad right now, and Matrivanam. In the Matrivanam building in front of, we all are here, and we have booked one car. Okay, and we have booked sitting in the car, and with full music we have started our journey towards where? Towards Bangalore, let's
Ramoji
say. Towards Bangalore. Let's go Bangalore. So from the Hyderabad we have started our journey with full music. We 4 to 5 friends are there in the car with full music going on. So we have started.
Going on.
Right? Yes. Going on, and in between, in the middle of the highway, we are dancing. Right? We stopped our car. OC is dancing very well,
No,
and
she is
you
singing
also,
bathroom song.
yes, song as well as he is dancing in the road. What happened? One incident also happened. One police guy came and he was telling to OC, "Hey, what you are doing there?" OC OC was fighting with him. Hey, I will dance here. I will dance only. So
Okay.
he was fighting like anything. So you know what happened after some time? The police guy has went from there, and we have started again our journey, and we reached Bangalore with safe, and in between we have enjoyed a lot with full of music, full dance, and chilling out. Yes,
Okay,
come back
okay, okay.
and
Let's
exhale
come.
it out the
Come.
breathing, and yes, close your eyes.
Yes, yes. Yes, let's move towards the our contribution goals.
Yes.
Yes, CP. So yeah, read it, feel it. What you want to contribute towards the society.
Yes. All the goals should be balanced. You should not focus on only one thing.
Yes, yes.
We-
You have to focus on all pillars of your life. So you
Yes.
balance your life.
Make it balance. Yes.
Yes.
What is the mean of our life? Why we are existing here?
Yes. See, the world is already going in a worst time. We in
Yes.
2020 we are seeing the lots of drama.
Yes.
Corona is there.
Yes.
Other many cyclones came.
Yes.
Yeah, flood is there.
Yes. In
So
the
yeah,
Bagmati, I saw in the in news I was watching. So in the Bagmati also is full of water.
yeah,
It is
Bagmati. Yeah, I told you one of my village yeah, one of my home is at village. So it's
okay.
I think 150 kilometers away from Patna.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, my home is near Bagmati. So I talk
Okay.
with my village. My uncles are living there. So I talk with
Mm-hmm.
them, and they all people tells that the river is on overflow. They cross the
Mm-hmm.
limit of the, and
Mm-hmm.
many people are suffering in that. Many people don't have eat to food. They are living on the terrace at home. So
Mm-hmm.
see, yeah, so many drama will happen. Don't know where 2000 will
Mm-hmm.
go. Yeah, and in Corona also in my city, I see many people
Mm-hmm.
die because of Corona. People are suffering
Oh,
here a lot. Doctor
is
is
it?
also dying. Yes, so
Oh
doctor
God.
is also dying. And if you have normal fever or cough, then doctor is not sitting because they scared to check treatment, give you treatment like that. So many doctors died. So we have to think about humanity, our contributions. Our
Yes.
contributions not that if you are earning lakhs of rupees, then you survive for only 50,000. You have 50,000 remaining. I don't want to say that you donate all 50,000, but you have donate some some amount of money. Like you feed once in a week one person, or twice in a week, or once in a month. And if you earn 1,000 rupees, then you also have to survive only 800 rupees. 200
Mm-hmm.
rupees also remain. Eh, So no matter you earning big or less, your heart
Yes,
is
yes. Yeah,
your heart. If
heart.
your heart is big,
Yes, yes. Heart should be so pure and should be always be a givers, don't be takers like that. That mentality should be there. And right now,
yeah,
the situation is very critical and all. This Corona situation and all. Many have lost their daily wage workers, right? And if you see in the roads, they also are struggling for get the food done, right? And so they
yes,
have
many
lot of problems they are facing it. Many peoples are there. Many peoples are going from one state to other state for for getting the job and all that. This time also this is not happening. So
yes,
yeah, situation is going day by day very worst and worst and worst. So yeah,
many people
let's see.
don't have eat for food. Many people
Yes,
sleep without eating.
yes,
So we have to think about humanity. Now it's not time to hatred. We have
yes,
to
yes,
spread the love. Yeah, many people are spreading hatred, but we have to think about humanity. We have to contribute them. If I am a student, I am not earning, but I have that much of a pocket money, so I feed one person in a week
yes.
or in a month. Or if I go outside, if beggars are there, I have that much of money that I give him 20 rupees of two biscuits.
Hmm.
Yeah, so contribute them.
Yes. So let's visualize for some time and God has given you one life and because of you, if someone is getting happiness, so we should provide them and we have given God has given everything to us and if single amount of things if we can't give to someone and they feel happy so
and and you encourage other people also to
yes,
help
yes,
them.
yes,
Yes,
yes, yes,
because
yes.
your one help
In the
can
Jai
change the
Ho,
society.
I have watched one movie. The name is Jai Ho. The Salman Khan was there. So you know what he was doing? He was helping the people, and after that, he was telling to the people like, if you, matlab you also help that three people, and tell them all three people should help other three people and spread this message to all. So like that, he has started his commitment like three people chance. One people help
Yes,
other
yes,
people, again three, again three, again three. So it will
yes,
become one chance. Yes,
yes, and in this journey you have to face many negative people, but
yes,
you always
it
find in positivity in them. Yeah,
yes,
you
yes,
encourage all the surroundings you are living with, help them.
yes, yes. It's the rule. It's the rule. If plus is there, minus also will be there.
Yes,
Yeah. Let exist this out.
okay.
Take deep breath. Yeah, Rahul.
Yeah, so it's completed now. If any person wants to struggle in
Yeah.
task, ask here. Or if you're not able to do or struggling to do, or you give burden yourself to do, yeah, so ask here.
Yeah, yeah. I missed today my 2 points.
What was that?
After 5, I wake up and gratitude things. Like Saturday night, what happens? 12:31 was there, so I was completely. I didn't sleep.
So no, bro. Yeah, you did yesterday winner workout
Hmm. Yes.
and
Like dance.
tell you.
Like
Yeah.
like dance like this. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Full body
So
movement.
yeah, tell your mind that I have
Hmm.
to sleep now.
Hmm.
And that time when you going to sleep, you are in bed and close your eyes and you focused on your breath.
Mm-hmm.
And you see that if you are focusing breath in 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you automatically went in deep sleep.
Is it?
Yeah, is
Wow.
it? I tried it earlier.
Okay, I will try it.
Earlier I was night person. I wake up whole night.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah,
You
I
are you
also
are from
didn't
you are from engineering or MCA?
MC.
MCA. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I know I was a night person and I'm not sleeping at night. I sleep at morning 3 or 4 o'clock. And when this life transformation things happens, so I yeah wow WhatsApp means I was thinking you can I manage it, but yeah slowly I adapt all these habits. And one thing that helps me that I always disciplined. And no
Mm-hmm.
matter situation is what, I will focus or not, but I will be there.
Yes.
So yeah, I will be there no matter I'm not sleeping. Yeah, but when the time is yeah, go on bed at you sets your time. Yeah, and focus on
Yeah,
breathing.
yeah. I will try it out. I will try it out this one, and let's see what it will work out for me or not. So it was good time with you, Rahul. Very best of luck for your this coming days,
Thank you, my pleasure, bro.
and always this uh, smile. So thank you all
Thank you
people
all
who joined
people.
us.
Bye bye people.
Yeah, yeah. Love you all. Okay. Bye bye.